จ้า สเปน
So any operation that you apply to a ciphertext is also going to pass through and affect the plain text as well. So just to be clear, and I'm not going to go into any of the crypto details of this.
So I want to cover a couple of things. One is I want to give a quick overview of what in our MCP was announced last November. I kind of wanted to build an agent application framework for what it takes to build applications with models. What if agents themselves were exposed as MCP servers, where, for example, you could have a teacher could have like an agent that grades a student's assignment, and maybe that agent is very particularly designed for that grade, for that student, or for that like classroom. You want to invoke that agent maybe through a chat. What that means is MCP servers can now also request human feedback from a client. So they can pause when you make a tool call and say, hey, like I need this extra information to continue processing before I can return the answer. So they can like send a request back to the client. And the client can then present that option to the user. You can also think about this from an authorization perspective. Like let's say that a tool call is going to mutate some state, and it's a right.
AI is a big thing now. It's like the hotness of the moment. And there is this general terms, you can think of a compiler as a translator. That's a wild oversimplification.
Before getting us a result, getting us a response, they come up with hypotheses, they reflect their own ideas before returning the final response. Which means that they need more compute because they produce more tokens during the inference time.